Okay, let's see. This is my friend. He doesn't know what's going on. So just to recap, this is my PC build part 3. This right here, this whole thing is called the motherboard. This is like basically like your spine. It holds everything together. Here we have RAM. That is random access memory. Basically what that does is it like loads a little bit of whatever program you're thinking of using. Loads a little bit of it, and then so whenever you open it or use it, immediately goes in. Right under this, there's a SSD drive or SSD drive. That one is more like storage. Here goes the CPU. Those are my keys. No. No. I'll kill you. That's a battery.
I have to turn it on.
I actually don't know what that does. But right now I'm about to install a CPU.
Let me turn it on.
No.
I gotta turn it on.
No.
So you're saying that this is the brain of the robot, right?
I'm about to install technically the brain of the robot. Basically, to install a CPU, I'm gonna get this little lever, stick it up, and once it's up, I'm gonna get this. This is the CPU. This is a very important part that actually I should be really, really careful for. Fuck me, yes. What this thing? Oh, dude. This thing was expensive too. Like $400. Okay. Yep. So, anywho, there's a little gold arrow on down here. Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay. Well, that little gold arrow goes. There's a little golden, or not a golden arrow, but there's a little arrow somewhere around here. I gotta look for it. It's on this corner right here. So I'm gonna make sure that this corner and that corner coincide, and I have to do this very awkwardly because the way I'm holding it. Basically, what I gotta do is drop it. All right, and then what you do from here, you're just gonna. Gonna close that. Boom. That's done. I fucked up. Holy shit. So yeah, that's the CPU. Just got that installed. It's very important that you don't touch the top or the bottom. It's actually very important that you don't do that.